In front of me is OnePlus 6T, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Password. Now tap on one of your passwords that you wish to edit and enter your screen lock. Following that, hit Edit button and change wherever you want to. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!